Hi everyone, welcome to The Real Chef Curry. I'm your host, The Real Chef Curry. Today we have an amazing simple dish for you guys to taste, so let's get to it. So Palak Paneer is what we're making today. It's a spinach gravy with paneer. Paneer itself is kind of like a fresh white cheese. It has somewhat of a similar firmness to tofu. However, taste-wise, it's a little bit closer to different cheeses that you would see made from fresh milk. So it's delicious, it's super simple and easy to make. So we're gonna get to it and here we go. So the first step, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take about 300 grams or 11 ounces of spinach and we're gonna blanch it in hot water for about 30 seconds. Essentially what that means is we're just putting it in the pan here that has boiling water in it, and we're just gonna leave it in that pan for about 30 seconds, mix it all around, and then we're gonna take it out. So the reason we're blanching the spinach and not boiling it is because spinach itself is very delicate and it gets cooked very quickly. So we only really need about 30 seconds in the hot boiling water in order to make sure that we don't lose any of the nutrients, but also so that it gets cooked properly. 30 seconds, max 45. We don't want to leave it in there too long. And then we're just going to remove it and we're going to blend it up with our other ingredients. Okay guys, so it's been about 30 seconds. We're going to remove our spinach from the hot boiling water. And you can actually save this water to use in other things, whether you want to use it in your curries, you want to use it in kneading some dough, whatever it is, because it does have a lot of the nutrients of the spinach in the water itself, so you can use it for other things. Okay, so we transferred our spinach over to the blender, and what we're going to do is we're going to add one medium-sized tomato, just cut up into little pieces so that it can blend properly. And then what we're also going to add is 2 green chilies. Again, cut up a little bit just so that they can blend evenly. So we're gonna add a small piece of ginger. Again, everything that we're adding in here, we're just gonna cut it up a little bit so that it helps the blending process. And you also wanna make sure that you peel the skin off the ginger. And finally, what we're gonna add is, after peeling them, we're gonna add 2 cloves of garlic. Okay, so we're also gonna add 1 medium-sized onion to our mix right here into our blender. Okay, and then all we have to do now is blend it up. Okay, so all we've done here is added 2 tablespoons of oil to our pan here, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna put in our blended spinach mixture into the pan, and we're gonna keep the heat at about low right now, and then during the cooking process, if we need to, we'll increase it further. And next what we're going to do is we're going to add in our cubed pieces of paneer. So basically we've just cut our paneer into bite-sized pieces and we're just going to throw it into our spinach mixture right here. So we also added about a teaspoon of turmeric, and we're also going to add about another teaspoon of cumin coriander powder. We're also going to add about half a teaspoon of red chili powder and a pinch of garam masala. And then we'll add salt to taste. So what that means is we're gonna start off with a teaspoon for now, and then we'll taste it again later, and if we need more, we can always add a little bit more. So now all you wanna do is mix all of the ingredients in the pan together, and we're gonna let it cook for about 10 minutes, and then your dish should be ready to go. Okay, so now all of our ingredients are thoroughly mixed, so we're gonna raise the heat to about medium-low, and then we're gonna cover it with a lid because the spinach will start sputtering a little bit and you don't want it to spill out onto your counter. So let's just cover it right now. We're gonna cook it for about 10 minutes and we'll come back to see our final result. Okay guys, so here's our final product. Our paneer is done. So we're gonna turn off the heat now and it's ready to serve. So guys, that was the recipe. It was super simple, easy to make. It's high in protein, high in iron. It's delicious, it's fantastic. And make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know what other recipes you want to see on the channel. We have a new playlist specifically, which are simple, easy recipes. Anybody from college students to kids can make them. So make sure you check out that playlist. And also let us know what other recipes you want us to see. Give us some recipes that you've tried recently that you really love. We also love trying new recipes. So with that, we'll see you next time.